Good morning everyone and welcome to Shawzy's Food Cave. I'm a bit under the weather this morning because I am hungover. Anyway, I have woke up and I have got the munchies and I need food. So today's review will be the Ed's Diner, which is a brand new range at Iceland. It is the pancakes with sausage patty and maple syrup. So 2 minutes in the microwave I think this is, so let's give it a go. Actually it's 2 minutes 20 seconds in a microwave. What do I have here? 319 calories, 497 calories actually, my goodness, that's quite a lot. Well, we'll unpackage it and have a look. Yeah, doesn't look too bad. I have to break out the Tupperware box. So it's a bit technical here to cook this. It's saying to remove all packaging, place unopened sauce sachet in a bowl of hot water, place patties side by side on a microwavable plate, cook for 1 minute, place the pancakes side by side on a microwavable plate and add a patty on top of each pancake. Cook for a further 1 minute 20 seconds, assemble product. Sandwiching the patties between pancakes, pour over maple syrup and enjoy. Well, here we go. Right, put yourself together there, flip's sake. So it actually looks pretty decent, I have to say. I kept it shape. Pancakes seem soft, they haven't been hard or anything like that Rustler's one I had before. Got the coffee, let's dig in. Gonna be very civilized and use a knife and fork this time. Oh yeah. Oh, it's very good. The sausage is nice. Really nice sausage patty. Compared to the Rustler's, that's way nicer. Nice bit of crispness in the top, like it's been done on a griddle. Very tasty. Pancakes are beautiful, very nice and soft and fluffy, and the syrup just complements it, gives that nice sweetness. Not overly sweet, just nice. Complements the pancakes and the sausage perfect. The patty does taste of proper sausage. Actually, that's very good for microwave food. That's excellent. Oh yeah. Oh, this is really good. A little close up. Oh, oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I should have bought two of them. So this Ed's Diner, it's a new range in Iceland. Do a hell of a lot of things. I picked this up on Thursday. This was £2. There's variation of things. There's like mac and cheese burgers. There's chili cheese hot dogs, and I just noticed this breakfast item which looked good because I love my American breakfast, like syrup and everything, sausage patties and pancakes like this. So thought I would pick it up. So I'm going to work my way through the range, trying different ones every week. We'll mix it in, of course, with anything else I pick up or fancy. But I'm really surprised how good this is. It's hard to believe that come out of a microwave. I'll be honest. The patties especially, and the pancakes, they're soft. They don't taste like the fresh you've just made them, but the patties and everything are like you've just fried them. Compliments to Ed's Diner, I have to say that's really good. Very good range. I've been to Ed's Diner once before, and it was just okay. Sitting in, the portions weren't very big, but it was alright, a bit expensive. But I can't say anything about this. Oh yeah. Shamelessly plugging the Belfast mugs again. You know, you should pay me like sponsorship or something, because if like even half my subscribers bought one of these, you know, they'd make at least 60 quid. Oh yes. Oh, I'm feeling better already. Oh, get it down your neck. Absolutely beautiful. That is so nice. I wish I had another one. I would eat another one. Massive thumbs up to Ed's Diners range. I'm really excited now to try what else I've got. I'll do another one of them next week. I'll do something like a lunch item or something, maybe a burger, hot dog or something. Because if the breakfast is that good, that bodes well for the rest of it. So I would give that, honestly, 9 out of 10 for microwave food. That is brilliant. The Rustlers was the highest thing I rated. Their classic burger with their signature sauce, I give that 8.5. That gets a 9. Probably one of the nicest things I've had out of a microwave. Excellent, well done. Anyway guys, hope you all enjoy the rest of your weekend, enjoy your Saturday. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and the ding ding notification bell up there, and it really helps the channel. Spread the word. I'll be back next Friday posting a video. This is Shawsy's Food Cave. All the best to you. Have a great one.